Hey, what is up guys, Salam. Am I Switch and I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the Boat Bass Heads 100. These headphones are from Boat company, so just let's quickly unbox this. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Inside the box we get some manuals which we are not going to read, they are waste of time. Okay, as this is a manual showing how you can use it, and here a warranty card from Boat of 1 year, and that's all. After that we have some extra ear tips so that if one lost and you can attach another one, or for your suitable for your comfortability you can attach another one for that. And the ear tips are so good, soft, and they are too light. So this was the ear tips, as you can see. Here this is the actual product from Boat headphones. I have buy this from Amazon at the price range of $4.99. These are too comfortable in your ears because they come with comfortability, and it comes with a 3.5mm jack and a microphone inbuilt. Here are some left and right written on the headphones so that it is easy to find which fits on your ears. So this is the microphone, and here is a button so from which you can receive and cut the calls. After all that, here is the product branding. And if you ask me to buy this not, I will suggest you to definitely buy this. This is the best mic headphones at the price range of $4.99. I will give you a link in description so that you can buy it from Amazon. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting updates. Peace and salam.